another sunny day in Southern California. It's where the people came to play. Don't let them transform you. Oh, come and see what you've been missing on a little slice of heaven. It's the only place we're living.
Here we go. Fueling number 1. I'm going to make the creamy chocolate shake into a decaf coffee because I have 2 packets of hot chocolate left and I want to ration them out. So here it is. Fueling number 1 about to go down, and I will see you at fueling 2, which is an empty bowl. Guys, I had the sour cream and chive mashed potatoes and then realized I didn't film it. So here's my little empty bowl. And I have to tell you, I love the potatoes both. I love the sour cream ones that I just had. I love the garlic ones, and I absolutely love the sweet potatoes. If you haven't tried them yet, please do yourself a favor and just order 1 box. They are so good. So 2 fuelings down, about to do some errands and some things around the house, and I will see you at the 3rd feeding time, which I believe I might do my lean and green. So we'll see you at that time. Here we are at lean and green, and I decided to make some turkey burgers, homemade, over a bed of spinach. This is fresh baby spinach from Trader Joe's. A little bit of Asiago Romano cheese and the turkey burger. So I'm going to show you exactly what I used in this salad so that you know. So here's the cheese. This is from Trader Joe's, like I said. It's really, really good. And Parmesan Romano is one of the best cheeses in regards to carbohydrates. As you can see, 1 tablespoon, is 20 calories, 1.5 grams of fat, 0 carbs. This is the way to go when you're looking for a cheese. It's not shredded, it's just shaved, and I'm going to show you what it looks like inside. You see these shavings? This is what makes this cheese so spectacular in a spinach salad. I absolutely love it. And then I decided to use a dressing. This one you've seen before, I think, in my videos by G. Hughes. It's the balsamic vinaigrette. It's sugar-free and absolutely delicious. It's one of my favorites. It's award-winning, and I can definitely see why. If you look here on the serving size, it's 2 tablespoons. I only used 1, so for an extra 30 calories, a little bit of fat and such, I will count it as a healthy fat. And I just put these 2 things on top of the bed of spinach with the 2 turkey burgers, and I have a perfect lean and green. I'll see you at the next fueling, guys. All right, guys, so we're back with the next fueling, and I'm going to have the silky, creamy peanut butter chocolate chip bar. It has a really good candy bar, like Snickers kind of consistency, sort of. It's not crunchy. It's nice and pliable. Look. And if you're craving peanut butter chocolate chip, this is the fueling to have. So, heading over to my sister's to visit my mom and dad. They're going home on Monday. So I'll bring you along over there. See you over there. All right, so here we are having a bowl of apple cinnamon oatmeal with 1 tablespoon of Walden Farms sugar-free blueberry syrup, which I find is a really, really good combination. Tastes like blueberry oatmeal. And when you're missing fruit, this is a great way to get that flavor in. So just wanted to share this with you. We have 1 more fueling left to go at the end of the night, and I will see you at that time. Taking a bite on camera. All right, so here's the last fueling of the night. This is the Zesty Lemon Bar, and I'm also going to have a nice bottle of cold water, and this winds up the day. Thanks for sharing this full day of eating on Optavia with me. Had a great day. Sorry that it seemed a little bit, one fueling after the next without much in between, but it was that kind of day. But I still like to show you what I'm having because sometimes it gives others ideas. And anyway, so yeah, this lemon bar is amazing. I hope you all have a great night. Thank you for watching. And as always, we can do this. Yes, we can, as long as we do it together. I'll see you in my next video. Excuse me for the frog in my throat. And have a good evening. Talk to y'all soon. Have a great night, guys. Bye-bye.